Hello and welcome to this Caleffi video where today we're going to discuss the 116 series thermostatic balancing valve. Let's now take a look at why we use circulation networks. The recirculation network is used to provide thermal comfort to all consumers of domestic hot water distribution systems. This means the ability to provide water to the correct temperature as quickly as possible. Another aspect that should not be underestimated when it comes to recirculation is the substantial savings that can be achieved in terms of energy consumption as the runoff of cold dead legs is removed. Let's now discuss the problems related to system imbalance. Extended circulation networks, typical in centralised systems, may be subject to significant problems related to imbalance, such as thermal imbalances between various risers, lack of comfort in more distant zones where there is poor circulation, high energy consumption or the recirculation pumps as they are circulating more water than is necessary due to system imbalance. To automatically balance the recirculation circuits of the sanitary hot water supply, installing the 116 series thermostatic regulator will ensure that all parts of the network reach the desired set temperature. The thermostatic regulator can be installed to a single branch recirculation loop or the bottom of each riser. The temperature is set by turning the control knob to set the temperature you want to maintain within the system. This is normally between 2 and 5 degrees below the distribution temperature. When this temperature is approaching the set value of the regulator, the thermostatic cartridge moves the shutter while gradually reducing the passage opening, minimising the flow, but this will never close completely, so there is always permanent circulation. The 116 valve assumes a key role regarding the prevention of Legionella. In fact, this network allows you to keep the water circulating, avoiding any stagnation, and also perform periodic disinfection cycles at higher temperatures than those already within the system. This will kill off any bacterial growth within this system. With thermostatic control, you can insert a second cartridge available for managing the disinfection cycle. This cartridge allows the temperature control elements to be bypassed. Thermal flushing is managed remotely via centralised controls or directly from the Legimix and the Legimix 2.0. You can also use this opening for the positioning of the recirculation control probes. Let's now take a look at how we install the thermostatic cartridge. Firstly, we must open the cap for the bypass. We then must insert the cartridge for the bypass. Ensuring this is tight so no leakages. We then screw the ring for the thermal actuator onto the cartridge, ensuring this is also tight. We then take our actuator, place it over the connection ring and listen for the click. This is now ready to install. In the normal operating cycle, the bypass will be closed and the setting will be made. As in previous cases, the thermistor is calibrated to the set value required. At the start of the disinfection cycle, the control system will send a signal to the thermoelectric actuator that will allow the opening of the bypass. At this point, the water disinfection temperature will flow through the new passage for the disinfection of the entire hot water distribution network. Alternatively, you can use the control cartridge with a completely mechanical system, where the bypass route is operated by a second thermistor with the 70 degrees centigrade calibrated set point. When the temperature reaches 65 degrees, disinfection will start and the bypass will open. If the temperature exceeds 75 degrees, the sensor will begin closing the bypass route in order to avoid a hazard due to high temperatures within the sanitary system. Thank you for watching our video today on the 116 series. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I have making it. Please visit our website www.caleffi.com for more information. Alternatively, visit our YouTube page. Thank you.